send me the location, then I'll be right there. To make her come check you, my baby. No time, no. And my dog is on probation. Another 5 years. We bring girls to his location. Nigga, I was down, but I made it to the top right now. And I can put a couple grand on my pocket right now. Yeah, I'm so fly, I'm flying in the rocket right now.
Brush. This should help you brush it up. Then next you need your pencils. I use both. Then next you need your angle brush. Then you need your concealer. I use black up concealer. I like this. The last thing is this other brush to blend the concealer. From the topic, we'll be doing an eyebrow tutorial, and these are the things we need, like I already said. So let's get into the video so we'll see how it works. We'll start by brushing the hair first. That's the first thing you need, and then you need a well sharpened pencil, like a very well sharpened pencil. A sharpened, well sharpened pencil. Go directly under your brows, and mind you, while drawing your brows, don't move your mouth, don't talk, don't do anything, just follow the shape, whatever you see. Now, I do not have lots of hair. It will look too thin, so I end up adding a bit and stretching a bit. But if you have the brows, if you have enough of that hair on it, just follow it up. Now, see the addition. I was supposed to start here, but I started here. Do you see that? And I'm faint with it. Now, people would ask, why am I using a black? Why don't I use a brown? You could use whatever works for you. Like I said before, this works for me because my skin is almost the same color as that brown, so it doesn't really show. So I prefer to use a black, then use a brown to fill up. Do it faintly, not nah, do it faintly. You're filling up. You see this? You see this? You see this? Depends on how you like your eyebrow to look, how fat or how the width should look. Just do it the way you like it. Now after drawing, pick up your brush and then brush it so it looks really natural, like your hair. In the brows, you now reach out for your angle brush and concealer. Good. It's almost finishing, so I have to struggle. Oh wow. Good. See, you try to get the concealer from the tube, and then you follow. Just do what you did the first time. It depends on whatever works for you. You can start from here and fill up, or start from here. You see, just go underneath. Notice that the angle brush has to follow, you see, the shape. It has to look like what the shape is. So Now the rest of the concealer on the brush should be used on here, like just so you fill up that color. The color should, like, they should blend. You shouldn't be having a black pigmentation here and having a different one up here. So just blend. You see that? And then you'd pick up the concealer and do for the top. Now some people pick a darker shade, sorry, that is the same as their skin color for the top. Whatever works for you, like I would always say. And you know that if you can blend well with this same concealer used beneath, then you can go ahead to use it. So we just follow whatever is up to. Follow it. When you're done, you not figure out that, oh, okay, I want it to look really nicer. Then you can go in again. You see that? Then go again. You just have to be patient. Know whatever works for you, and don't be in a hurry. Don't think, oh, their videos, they're always faster. No, you take your time. So try and make it clean. This video is doing no justice to what I have out here. So that's how much you take your time to make sure you get that brows that looks like your brows, shape of your brows. You see that? You see there are so many colors on here that doesn't look like your skin color. That is when you now go in with this other brush. I call it blending brush. That is when you go in with it. It makes your work faster for you because an angle brush is smaller. And go up. So you make sure you blend it well. Take your time. Your brows is like the most important thing out of every other thing. So just take your time. Now, let me explain whatever happened here. You followed. Now you see it looks like it's my hair. But you all remember that I had little hair. That's why I use my black liner and then use a brown liner to fill it up so it looks really natural. Don't go too thick on it. Go faintly on it. 1. And then 2. Trust me, this camera is not as clear as it should be, like it is out here, but we'll manage. You go like this. Now you ask yourself, where am I supposed to take that angle in? At your eye bone. I call it the eye bone. You want this place, this bone to pop out. You see? Do you see? You want to make sure this bone pops out, so you go in and then down. This bone should pop out, so that now we're going to apply a brown powder on it. So you see what I'm saying? So that when you put your bronzer on here, it pops out. want this bone out because of that bronzer effect. And you can still apply a powder on the top. Trust me, after you have done your full coverage, your foundation and all of that, all this will blend. It will blend with your skin. So let's go ahead and do the next one so it looks alike, and then you see that it doesn't really look identical most of the times.
We tsunami, girl from India, sweet as Nani. Head so good now, speak Gujarati. You pardon me, I'm laughing again. I assisted, man, passed my friend. Look, money like the alphabet. If you wanna see P's, gotta pass on the ends. Came a long way from a park in a Benz to an 18 plate man's park in a Benz. Far from the rest, but I'm far from my best. Life is a lesson, I'm passing a test. Yes, everything blessed. I don't want drama and I don't want stress. My girl got finesse, Caribbean flex, body and chest, take body and chest. Thank God more, I grew up with less. Just to the right, raps to the left, Arj in the middle got C.